few minutes later.
Methanol and light it. And get a blue flame. What I think is even cooler, though, is what happens when I burn nitromethane. It actually doesn't burn on its own, and I have to give it a boost with some methanol. Now when I try it, I get a flame that has almost no color. There is a slight hint of yellow, but besides that,